This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your geolocation in the Chromium web browser. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Chromium web browser opened up now. To enable or disable your geolocation, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, I'm going to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, down toward the very bottom, I'm going to click on Site Settings. Then I'm going to scroll down to the Permissions section, and in the Permissions section right here, Location, I'm going to click on Location. It gives you two different options. The top one, if you toggle that one on, sites can ask for your location. It gives you three options within that: collapse all requests in the address bar, collapse unwanted requests, which is recommended if you have location enabled, and then the bottom one, expand all requests. If you toggle on this bottom one here, don't allow sites to see your location, that turns off your geolocation. That is how to enable or disable your geolocation in the Chromium web browser. Thanks for watching.